This is the final in a series of videos explaining how to use Google Docs and Google Forms for Colorado camps, leader recs, and resumes. This video I'm going to show you the difference between leader resumes and leader recommendations. We can go ahead and sign into our camps account. We're going to click on the Documents tab. This time we're going to click on Leader Resume for Colorado Camps 2012. Again, our spreadsheet will open, and unlike with the leader recommendation, a lot of these fields are empty, and that is due to the big difference in the form. So when someone fills out a form, they're first going to fill out this first page. And they're going to have these three options to select which best describes them. And this is going to determine how much of the information we get back in the spreadsheet based on what we need. If they click, I was a leader at Crooked Creek Ranch in the summer of 2011, and they click continue, they're going to go directly to the leader affirmation, letter of affirmation, background check, perjury statement, child abuse reporting, because Crooked Creek's leader resume last year did not contain that information. We'll go back. If they click I was leader at Frontier Ranch and continue, they're going to go straight to the end, where they just click that they've made sure their responses are correct, printed a copy, and understand that they'll be contacted if any further information is needed in case we missed something last year. Finally, if they click I was not a leader at Crooked Creek or Frontier Ranch during the summer of 2011, that would mean that we do not have any of their leader resume information on file. They click continue, they're going to go directly to the full leader resume form. And then when they fill out that information and submit it, like you've seen before, it's going to go into the spreadsheet. So you can see those who have all of this information filled out, they have selected here, I was not a leader at Crooked Creek or Frontier during the summer of 2011. These individuals were a leader at Crooked Creek or Frontier Ranch. Now I'll show you the difference between leader resumes and leader recommendations in our merge documents. Go ahead and get out of this. We're going to go to the server. Going to go to the leader resumes and recommendations, spreadsheets file, or folder, excuse me. I'm going to go to our camp. I'm going to go to Crooked Creek. I'm going to click on the mail merge for leader resume. This is after we've already downloaded the the Google spreadsheet as an Excel spreadsheet. And we've attached it to this particular document, as you've seen before in the other videos. Once that merge document pulls up, what we're going to do here, you can either use, we're going to click on mailings at the top, you can either use the mail merge wizard by saying start mail merge, step-by-step mail merge wizard, and then this tab will pop open on the right, or we can use these individual tabs up top. I'm going to go ahead and use the individual tabs to let you know how we do this. In case you haven't already connected the spreadsheet to this document, you're just going to say select recipients up here, select use an existing list, and you're going to find, go in the server, find the spreadsheets. We're going to make sure that it's the spreadsheet for leader resume. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is say edit recipient list. Here you can see check marks for every person who has submitted information through a Google form. You can kind of scroll over to the right and basically view the spreadsheet in its simple form. What we're really going to be concentrating on here is this column. Select which option below applies to you. It'll say I was a leader at Frontier, I was a leader at Crooked Creek, I was not a leader. All of those who were not leaders we're going to keep, and those who were leaders in summer 2011, we're going to deselect their boxes and click OK. Then we're going to click Preview Results, and you can go ahead and scroll through and see this individual's form all completed. Going to select the next recipient. Again, their entire form is completed. And really there were only two. Next thing you're going to do is click Finish and Merge. You can either print the documents here, you can print all, or you can print the current record if you want to print them. And go ahead and print. And next thing and final thing we're going to do is save them on the server so that in the following years other Colorado camps can have access to their resume. We're going to save it as PDF, and we're going to save it in the server in Leader Resumes and Recs, and just in that folder is great. And as you can see, we're going to change the name here, and the way we save it is last name, then first initial, dot, area number, dot PDF. So we would change this to say Smith J period TX 74, and then we would click Publish. It would save a PDF in that file to be accessed by any of the Colorado camps in the future. That is the main difference between Leader Resumes and Recommendations. So we don't print off a bunch of extraneous data. Makes it simple for those filling out the information, and it allows us to keep it simple. Thanks for watching these videos. You can always view the hard copy Word document on how to use Google Docs and Google Forms for Leader Recommendations and Resumes in the server in Leader Resumes and Recommendations in a folder called Procedures. Any cheat sheets or how-to information will be located in that folder.